Oh, that nigga dragged knee. Oh, he just dragged knee. I can't believe we caught that at that point. Wow, Jaylen is, I was just gonna say Jaylen's rolling right now, but y'all just saw he just came through and dragged knee. That was hella tight. He scared himself. Yo, this guy is dragging knee. So I've watched him ride so much, it's really cool to see he's actually just developing a style. I'm watching his brake finger. Y'all probably can't see it as good as I can. Oh, he just dragged me again. I know, kid, just keep going. So I changed the way that the bike sits. I'm not as comfortable on it, but Jaylen apparently is mad comfortable on it. This is the third time he's caught this dude. Now, I gave him some tips on how to get past him because this guy's playing doing this shit. Good deal. Just stay focused and run your line. Gone. Damn, Jaylen's actually pushing. So with my big ass on there, I kept it in third gear and the bike did fine going around. With Jaylen, I told him I think he's doing that now, maybe. But it picks up speed pretty good with him on it. So yeah, this guy's flying. One finger braking, he let off right there at the apex. Good money. He didn't want to lean his low there. I know. I got it both times. You scared yourself, huh?
Yeah. You don't know. You don't know you're about to hit it until it happens.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Felt good.
That's what you mean. He went out and like.
And you just keep riding. That's really all it is, man. You don't let nobody affect nothing you're doing. You just get a nose by them, and once you get past them, you own the line.
Yeah. I did the same thing before we came up to the bus stop. He was on the inside.
Yeah, I saw you pass him a few times. All right, so Jaylen's been doing this a couple laps. Oh, he didn't go in on the lookout. Dude turned off and stopped. Jaylen was running down the Husky. I don't know what that is. But fucking Jaylen's out here being aggressive as shit. This little tiny kid is kind of in the mix. I don't know if this is his parent behind him or not. Yeah, Jaylen out here leading a really good line, a good pack, a good group of riding going on right now. Jaylen's being very aggressive. He's staying in third. He's saying pulling out of the corner there, he hits the limiter right here. He say he hits the brakes when he hits the limiters. Just keeping it that repetitive. Yo, Jaylen is cooking, bro. I'm gonna have to stay off of that bike. I can't claim it now, but look at the line too. Dude with the two-stroke gonna try and run down on him. And yes, Jaylen is dragging knee now. Look at Jay. Ooh, he got cut off by the KTM. Good decision making though. Here comes the two-stroke. I should have him come in, but this is like amazing riding that he needs. And I just hope that he's just making proper decisions throughout this. So that's why I want him to just stay out, because this is some aggressive shit. We got a little kid. Notice he'll change up his line. Yo, this is crazy. Let's I'm gonna get Jaylen to come in and we'll talk to him. Ooh, wait. Can you open that box for me? Half quarter haircut, man. This guy paid full price for a quarter of a haircut. He says he wants to grow his hair out. Why?
Because I don't want to have short hair no more.
What? What do you mean?
I mean, I had it for so long.
So you about to be dreading? No, sir. No.
Why?
What you mean why? Why you want to be dreading?
I just want to have a different hairstyle. At least I'm not painting my hair.
You're definitely not painting your hair.
Exactly, so.
Well, anyway, what's in the box is what's in the box. Look at all those damn bubbles that your sister's going to play with, and this is what's in the box. Finally got it. No. The carbon fiber took 9 months for it to still never be made. So I canceled that order because ironically it was made or ordered from the same place that I bought that bricked ass ECU from. So F that whole situation. And Hot Bodies was the only belly pan in America that I could get in 4 weeks. So even when I canceled that other order, I waited 4 weeks for this. Now, here's the thing, right? I need it to work with the factory fairings. So this right here, that is the key of the whole thing. So we finally got a belly pan, but it's raw, so we're gonna have to get it colored up. You already know the vibes. Black belly pans for days. Black belly pans for days. So we're gonna go we'll see what Pro Style's doing and make this one color, but we can finally complete the bike. Finally, I gotta put some hardware in here. See the little divot right there? Gotta put some hardware in that. Drill these out. These aren't pre-drilled, but man, wow. This bike could possibly finally be completed. We just gotta get the bike back. It is. It's terrifying though. Like, in 100% honesty, it didn't need more power. I didn't need to make it faster, but it's all of those, it's all of those things, right? So what I have to do now is just be responsible with it, right? I was thinking like, man, I should do some real wheelies, but that throttle is so like, I ain't about to loop my shit, you know what I mean? Not just yet, even though I do got that God brake control, but it's producing so much torque, and it hits really hard, really down low. So I'm not even gonna play with it right now. I get some riding miles in on it, get used to it, and yeah, we're back in action, man. Interesting feeling. This bike is like, since we've been spending so much time on the smaller bikes and everything, this bike is like a fucking super bike for real, man. It's super rigid. It turns really fast. You feel the weight to it. When you hit the throttle, it's like all of that shit. Fuck it. It's scary time. So.
Okay, that's fine. You're gonna be here on. Let me tell you how this is gonna work. You're gonna be.
You ain't gonna tell me shit.
Listen.
Suck my.
Shut up. Listen to me.
Suck my. You man.
Listen.
Suck my.
You will be here in the court on
You'll
Monday.
be here sucking my.
Well, listen to me now.
Go yourself.
Okay, I'm going to tell you how this is gonna work. You either listen or not. I don't care.
I'm through. Can I leave the court?
hold it, back it and pull it from slow.